welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Kit Khubor Nongse to represent India at WCOPA 2025. Meghalaya football team shines in Paris, earns CM's praise. Awareness program on child marriage held at Mairang. And KNUM leader meets CEM, raises key issues on local employment and governance. And now the news in detail. Kit Khubor Nongse, winner of the Kasurkan Ode Season 3 singing competition, has been selected to represent India at the 28th Annual World Championships of Performing Arts, WCOPA, set to take place in Long Beach, California from July 17th to 25, 2025. Confirmed by Scott Murphy, Vice President of WCOPA, Kit Khubor earned his place after a review of his online audition. Contestants from over 70 countries will compete for prestigious awards and scholarships. Expressing gratitude, Kit Khubor thanked Father Michael Makri, SDB, for his guidance and inspiration in helping him achieve this milestone. Kit Khubor is determined to bring glory to India and donbosco Media Network, Shillong Province, on the global stage.
Hari Presiden, bagi sekretari, Kit Khubor dengan Kit Khubor, beri kui Samla, bagi sistem mana Khubor bertanggung, mana kena nak seluruh Kit bagi usaha lokal, bagi sistem berbina, bagi sebarang kugai jadi apa, bagi Kit bertanggung dah, kedai keduksa kita bagi lokal, bagi lokal ni, bagi Mesir, ya Khubor. Memang kadi sab katalan kadi kuwi kala aikam macam. Kadi kuwi burung ya sikit Meghalaya kunjung ke India. Di rasanya kudai ya sama Kit dayo men sebentar om tang bo nasional ban. Hendak yo men present aka world championship. Baik kok wai juga perteh kita away kita ada jubor kita away ke perteh di Kerman Meghalaya ke all Meghalaya dan Sen ni kipok kipian siapa ini mengenai sebentar po Amerika ni bu ada cintai nak benda jadi bat ni sekarang dulu kali cintai kerpan Meghalaya ke all Meghalaya dan Sen kerana away ka lendi perwanra ya ke jingjok ya ke nam burong ya ke India menuju ya ke Jela Meghalaya jengi burong kowe padahal ni pun idan kat tokan ni ban ai khubleiru ya ki bagi kena ki ba la represent hagi national level ke ba example kum state Jawa lan wanda burong sisa ya state jengi natangis kepada kubleiru, kibok kubleiru nak mentai yang menang karjana, mentai ida apa, nombak mumbai, bagi kibok kubleiru ya sama yang malu, badan mendah nasional level pada juga hip hop India, kibok iru praktis, badan Kristen, badan rakyat yang kenal jom Jela Meghalaya jadi berkuai di hari kedua ni.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma felicitated the Meghalaya football team from Minken Christian Higher Secondary School for securing third place at the second Indo-French football tournament held in Paris, France. Commending their outstanding performance, the CM said the team displayed remarkable skill and determination, proudly representing India. He highlighted that the government's rupees 50 lakh investment in their travel was a strategic move to boost international exposure and future opportunities. In a major development, the Olympique Lyonnais Academy, one of Europe's top football institutions, has invited the Meghalaya under-18 team for a 20-day training camp in June 2025, marking a significant step forward in nurturing football talent from the
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a joy to be here once again to discuss 2024. Champions in the state level Super Cup 2024. Richborn Harpuri, please come forward. Shillong El Nonglat. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for the boys. Erikson Pansat. Sandur Rinja. Frankie Dikal. Khubor Onjo. Alistair Thank Vanangsan Longklang.
This is indeed a very proud moment for me, a proud moment for our state, and a very proud moment for each and every one of you. You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French football tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that. And I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France. As a state government, for us sports is very, very important. I always repeat that it is important for us not only because we feel that the talent is there and it just needs the support, and with that support our youngsters can actually perform very well at local as well as national and international tournaments.
The Child Protection Unit Mairang organized an awareness program on the prevention of child marriage and the POCSO Act 2012 at Tirat Singh Memorial Hall, Pending Umyong. The session aimed to educate the public on the dangers of child marriage and the legal consequences for those involved, including parents and relatives. Experts from DMHO, DHEW, DCPU and the police department addressed the gathering, stressing the importance of reporting such cases to authorities. The program also highlighted the 10th anniversary of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, which promotes girls' education. Students and teachers from various schools attended and benefited from the detailed insights provided by the experts during the awareness event.
What is our role in this? I want you to know about what is child marriage. What is child marriage? Child marriage. Child marriage kemudian kedeka syongka kena, kata syongka kena. Keba kekum kali ke ai child marriage ai ke kerta kebagi kilabu yang di Shillong bang syongka kedai banithok. Banithok men balak bit banithok kadai 21 years dan kadai 18 years. Nada dulu iba banithok yang dikena di syur di badan pok kata apa kita bencidong. Nangka ke siapa tadi ke POCSO pada ini kan POCSO tidak syur ini POCSO ke POCSO Act 2012. Dan dia melalui jumpi di balai penyukam dan di bahaya jumpi di balai di penyukam yang mati hak kena kepuksu. dan dia dengan rai sibu nak kini pada intip pada long pada kini bukan berkenika ahli soal. Jadi dia dapat bermata yang ni syarah kenika soal. Ketika soal. Ketika soal, ketika kewegaan kepala wanra kesukaan dia kepala penrekam medusnan ahza kata nak kebentar bangyada yang kena nak keluk kecil syak Khubor yang kalau yang cuci nak kalau nak kebasyu tak lemakor ni nak kalau lemakor ni nak kalau keni yang video lemakor teknik kamu soal kedai bangyada yang kena nak keluk kecil syak Khubor yang kalau yang cuci di apa orang kena ni kena apa orang kena ni kamu tanya kena kenai mereka tahu lagi kena syarang bertuju dikinu kena mereka tahu dikinu di badan lalu kenai ni syarang di badan apa kamu hak pasnya dia dikinu kena lalu dia badan apa pasnya ikut ini lagi kena.
KNUM leader Thomas Pasa met with KHADC Chief Executive Member CEM Shemborlang Renja on April 8, urging immediate action on 3 key issues to protect local interests. He proposed amending Rule 128 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Council rules to prevent non-Khasis from voting in district council elections. Secondly, he called for halting the appointment of Achek Garo individuals as headmen in Raj Marwet, Ribhoi district. Lastly, he urged the council to stop issuing and renewing trading licenses for foreigners in trades that local Khasi people are capable of handling. The CEM assured Pasa that a meeting with council officers will soon be held to discuss and review the proposals in detail.
Kani kasih kepenukam mewari kendu ya ke isi ke bertema juga ke CDC. Ada kimat ke dikibarin. Kimat ke dikibarin gibal ajuan nak kapor teng lah so long bi nak lan tuge bagi ju si ju imatnya ra sira andri umpan se benlek umno kat ba 4 poin sekat tau kat ba 4 urlong kijung temu ki ang not ni hapan wan siwan te nak kalian kajongi ke ba lightly ki bentak ki kongsan ba ngira wan nyau hai CM das ni bat ka banukong ya ka ba kongsan ba ka bala ban kata ngi mo jai beriu haki pol ki banwan khamtami ki pateng ki banwan kadai ka jing kerpat kejongi ya ka ke cirsi ban penkelano ya tak ini rule ko sir spa pra ban khangla ya ki bam de ki khasi bagi tab bot hapo ka district council ya ini imat kam thamai syuk atau ki paiba ko kiru ya bi osnyong la bun sin bagi kere ni bentang bat na kalian di CM ko sutunat ba ira ang insim kai kini insyong bagi officer ko council kini perkhat ma dengan ko nanti ba kalian ngajongi ngi ban pawi iba ilong ki ba kroy ban ya ai lang ibu ban batai lagi lak kelinti kumnu ban ulong ya kadeka kam da kelinti jong ka an kai tengi kelinti ba hadin bon sin la wen kedo i parti ba mensua da kampoi sino ban mentale se kani ke isi menta kan tho do khulam wasai baru banap baki bala ban tabut hapo ke CDC kidei bandai tang na ka jaj benreu khasi ben ki garuru ndai da ko puram ndai bagi kan persya jaj benreu here ki garu hills ba ni jantia ke khasi ke jo ka brin utra ben ma jaj benreu khasi ben te ki mat tab sathia ai kin tuklare kerti ko dostor jong lajong ya ka hak lajong siade pada ai bangin tab mangin ka jaj benreu khasi kan ti tai jing pat jogi ban kong ya ka council ka bar pada ila pensniau biang ICM haror ka jing long jing man hang te po than marwet ngila pentibi kerteng jong isno ki babon ba ki babat kamrang ba snong ki dei na jai gure baru mat yakane kam dei shu pala pai ba ngatai pi upi kama ba dan ausem baladam ba kini ki self claim rang ba snong kira le ikando ya CM jong ke celah ko jong ibat kira le ibu ke jindawa ba kiri banyo sernat no sunat na dei mamelin de ko bangila mangi pada hadu menta kira penun kam ya ka letterhead jong dor bar snong ya ka seal jong dor bar snong ba kitri kam ko girang ba snong pada ka pen khan pada ya ka an jong ka 5 million jong arjar mio tene kaliang ka jong ngila pen snyo si CM ba kala don ka jing I code I sila I dollar I residential certificate ka bajur ba ham tu ya po kithan tem right marwan but kadung ka jing di cakar ka bajur takan ni kan warra ka jing ma ka krawa yang iku baca mereu bat nakaliang jong ECM iong ba kani gamat dei ila juyo snuteng ya kani ka jinglong jingman na kata kari musutanat.
The Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People (FKJGP) on April 7th honored Kevin Lingdo Sangriang with a memento and cash prize at his residence for winning 2 gold medals at the 21st National Mountain Bike Championship in Haryana. Ba Enbors Aim, General Secretary of FKJGP Maukarwat Circle, praised Kevin's dedication and encouraged youth to aim for victory with clear goals. Kevin, in his speech, thanked God, his supportive parents, and the FKJGP for their encouragement. He shared that he won in the cross-country time trial and cross-country Olympic (XCO) events, impressing participants from across India despite competing with simpler gear against more advanced and expensive bikes used by others.
Gula alum hamon lapor but ketang I play ya ka FKJGP ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People gula kai kan ka momento ling job ha ka 21st MTB National Championship ti kane ka ti kasin ka buar bu ngaco ya ka goal but last time ngaco arta silver ha ka 20th National MTB Championship ka wen ngu ai mina chu asem bu kila ya chan ba ya ka kaya nga la ka de ka yong kai ka bu be chung dor ka bu be la re bun cho wala ka taw kila ya chan ba kila punco ya ka mar ka ya ka bu kam nga tingai ku play mina chung pro.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.